don't use your molcajete before you do this. Here's the thing, guys. If you have a brand new molcajete that you haven't used before and you don't want dust and little chunks of rock in your salsa, you have to cure your molcajete. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do that. This is the new song that I made. I needed some non-copyrighted music, but I couldn't find any, so I had to make my own, and I have no idea what I'm doing. Yes, it finally came. After a year, I finally ordered myself a new molcajete. I gave mine to my sister last year as a gift, and I've been without one since. So first things first, did you know that you have to cure your molcajete? A lot of Amazon reviews, I've seen people complaining about dust and rocks in their salsa, and that is because they don't cure their molcajete. So that's the point of today's video. I'm going to show you how to do that. So my overall impression is I like that it's nice and protected. It came in a larger box, and it comes with this nice colored pamphlet, and I don't see instructions in here. However, it does say before using that you should wash it thoroughly and dry immediately, and again after each use with soap. I don't use soap on my molcajete or on my cast iron because I don't want the taste of soap in my food, so I will show you what I do. I'm going to leave the link to the Amazon link below in the description of this video so that you guys can, if you guys are interested in ordering one of these molcajetes, you guys can check it out. I really like that it's bubble wrapped. It has a nice heavy weight to it. It feels very solid. It's granite. And I can see already that, sometimes they are made out of lava rock. So I just want to say my first impressions of this is that it is already very smooth. So a lot of times they're made out of lava rock or granite. This one is nice and heavy, and sometimes when you have the lava rock, granite is made out of lava, right? Isn't it? They're all different kinds of rock, but this one is very smooth. I really like this one. This is the Imusa brand, and I will put a link to the same one in the description below. But I like because sometimes they are very pitted, and this one seems really smooth, so maybe that's why the instructions said just to wash it. But anyways, I'll show you what to do anyways. Even if yours is not this smooth, you always have to do this with a molcajete. So I'm going to take this over to the sink and give it a good rinse without soap. So I'm going to put this trapo down right here just so I don't scratch up the sink, and put this, so you can tell I really am happy with this brand because it is very smooth, but you can see how the color right now is very light, and so after you have used it and seasoned it, it will change color to a darker color because of the oils in the garlic and things like that. So first what I'm going to do is just give this a good scrub, and if you have a brush, that would be good. I really like this tejalote too, because it's like both sides, and it's very smooth. You can see the shine on that is just really smooth. That usually takes time to develop, and you usually have to fill in all the cracks with salt and rice, but I really am impressed with this one. And then you want to be sure to flip your tejalote around and make sure to try to get both sides of that thing. Also be sure to go up the sidewalls as well as around the rim to break away any dust or pieces of rock. And then you will start to notice that the water has turned a dark gray, or maybe not dark gray, but it's grayer. And so you just want to rinse it out and do it again, and just keep rinsing it until the water comes pretty clear. And after a couple of minutes, then it should be fine. Okay, so that's nice nice and rinsed out. It looks pretty. I like it. Okay, I rinsed it out and I blotted it down real quick, and it's already drying pretty fast. I'm actually really surprised at how fast it is drying. I'm really impressed with this one. I'm gonna see if the rice even takes anything off of it. So I'm gonna get the rice and salt ready, and we're gonna start smashing it. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of salt in here and a little bit of rice, and we're gonna smash this. And I'm not even that sure that it's gonna really give too much of a color, but so I'm just going to put this into a glass container so that we can better see the color that comes out. It doesn't look gray to me at all. I actually think that came out not so. Can you see it there?
Yep.
That didn't come out too gray. Okay, so now I'm going to wash this again in the sink. And again, I'm putting the trapo down, guys. Make sure you put like a rag or a towel or something in the sink just so that you don't scratch up your porcelain or stainless steel. And what I'm doing is I'm just rinsing this really well, blasting it with some water. But honestly, my impression of this one is that it is actually really smooth already, and probably this curing step maybe wasn't necessary. But if you have pits in your molcajete, this is definitely a step that you don't want to skip. Okay guys, so my overall impression is this is a very good quality one. Usually you have to do this about 3 times so that there's no gray color in there and it's white, but this is white. This is Juliet, the same color as the rice. Let me show you. And that's still yet the same color. I hope the color is good here. So I only did that once. Usually you have to do it about 3 times. Usually you have to crush this about 3 times, but this was just once and the color is pretty good. So I think that's because this is,
Mommy, I love you.
I love you too, babe, already very smooth. Can you see that? So if you still had gray in here, or you could see gray dust or rocks or anything, then you would want to keep grinding. Usually you have to do this 3 times, but not this time. So don't use your molcajete before you do this. So this is my thoughts of this molcajete. I really like it. I like that it's very smooth already, and the size of it is pretty good. Serious salsa in there. This is how you cure your molcajete. To season it, you could just put garlic and salt and smash it around, and you will see that the oils will start making it darker. But like I said, that will happen when you make your salsa. It's kind of an unnecessary step to me in my experience. So there you go. I really like this one. This exceeded my expectations. I thought it was going to be a lot more pitted, but it's not. It's very smooth, and I will leave a link in the description below so that you can check this one out. This is pretty deep. I mean, this will hold a lot of salsa and guacamole, whatever you want to put in here. You can crush seeds or anything. So that is my review of the Imusa Molcajete. This thing is called tejalote, mortar and pestle, or pestle and mortar, I'm not sure. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications to never miss a video. And thank you so much for watching. That I needed some non-copyrighted music, but I couldn't find any. So I had to make my own. And I have no idea what I'm doing.